Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily allow users to upload images in WordPress comments. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to plugins in your dashboard and add a new plugin. And now in search plugins, write comment attachment. Yep. And now you can like DCO comment attachment, just click on it, install now. Okay, install plugins, activate. Nice. And when we got it, you're gonna see it in settings. And now, okay, attachment image size. You can choose that, link thumbnail to full size image. Okay, JPEG, allow file types. Save changes. You can really edit like what they can actually update. And then when someone is going to upload anything, you will have it in media. So when I go to posts, so let's see if we can find it there, and also to pages. Yeah, you can see it here, the attachment. And I'm going to upload, I don't know, this one here. No, I need to upload something else. This comment, hey there, post comment. And let's see if it's going to upload. Okay, and now as you can see, it's uploaded. And when I go to media, as you can see, I have it here. Really simple, really easy. And this is how we actually do it. So this is the simple way how you can allow users to upload images in WordPress comments. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.